Hey guys, Burgers here, and in this video I will talk about can lower level tanks survive in the higher stages. Now here I have two different opinions, and it's not actually different opinions, it's depending on the dungeon. If the boss is hitting like a truck, well, definitely this hero is not going to survive low level tank, since actually end the gear is not going to be very good. Of course, if you have legendary gear on low level tank, well, this tank is definitely going to be more tanky. But in general, if you're in the progress where all your heroes is low level and your tank is low level, for example, Grateful Venom is all about the tank. There you cannot actually go with low level tank. For the Grave of Curse is actually a different story. Here you can actually go with low level tank and actually tank this boss. The main part here is going to be preventing the boss from getting this shield. Also, the ultimate of the boss is very strong, so and hit all the heroes there. So definitely want to have this attack penalty. So yeah, this so far for this instance. Here you can go with less strong tank, but for the Grave of Venom, then definitely you're going to need a good tank. For the Grave of Wrath, for example, here you need both. You need strong heroes, you need heroes that is going to take out the debuffs, you need heroes to make a healing prohibition. Yeah, and you definitely want to have some strong tank there, so the hero is not focused on the tank over the time, and actually help the rest of the heroes, because it's very hard dungeon in my opinion. For the flame of the these flames, Frost Domain, Tempest Domain or Flame Domain, is actually a dungeons where you just have to go with different type of heroes. If you go for the Flame Domain with the Horus, who is fire, well, definitely Horus is going to get huge amount of damage, since this boss there and everywhere the bosses have increased damage over the specific elements. For example, here is fire and poison. For Tempest Domain is actually a lightning and a radiance, and you get the idea. Here you just need to go with different element heroes, and the tank didn't actually matter that much in my opinion. For the Goblin Lair, well, there is waves of goblins, so I don't think you want to go with tank there. You just want to go with somebody who is doing a lot of AoE damage. Area of effect damage is AoE for people who don't know. And yeah, definitely Goblin Lair is not so important for the tanking. You're looking to finish the stage as fast as you can. And if you can replace the tank with a good DPS, just do it. There you don't need the tank. So yeah, definitely with low level tank you can succeed, but it's going to be on the specific places. And all these three realms, Frost Domain, Tempest Domain and Flame Domain, you can go with low level tanks, but it have to be with different elements. For example, for the Tempest Domain you can go with Horus, but for the Flame Domain better don't go with Horus. For the Grave of Venom, this is a must here to have a strong tank. If you don't have the rest of your heroes very good leveled up, you're definitely going to need a strong tank. Here not so much, there is a specific heroes that is going to be needed here. I think I make a video, or I will make it. And Grave of Wrath, you're going to need just both strong tank, and you're going to need also good DPS, somebody to cleanse these debuffs. You get the idea. But from the Grave of Curse you can get good tank gears and go for Grave of Venom or go for Grave of Wrath. This is my personal opinion. Let me know in the comments what you think, guys. And yeah, I guess this will be for this short video, guys. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, hit one like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next amazing video.